Okay, so to finish example 11, we left it at sum of the forces in the x direction would be Fx minus friction equals max. Our Fx up here is F cos theta, so you write that down. Minus our friction down here is mu brackets mg plus F sine theta equals max. This time you're trying to solve for m. And there's an m stuck inside the bracket. So you don't just divide by a, because you're going to have an m left on this side. So you need to multiply by the mu to get free this m that's in the bracket, and then take all the m's to one side. So it'll become F cos theta minus mu mg, and then minus mu F sine theta is equal to max. Okay? So take this m over here. So you'll have this m term with m in it, F cos theta minus mu F sine theta is equal to max plus mu mg. And then on this right-hand side, factor out the m. So m brackets ax plus, you're left with mu g in that term. This side is still F cos theta minus mu F sine theta. Now to get the m by itself, divide both sides by ax plus mu g. Ax plus mu g. Okay, and now you can fill your numbers in. So we have m is equal to, F was 400 newtons, cos of 36.87, minus mu was 0.2 times F, which was 400 newtons, sine of 36.87. And on the bottom, A is 2 meters per second squared, and it's plus mu 0.2 times 9.81 meters per second squared. And again, the trick is, can you type this in your calculator correctly? When you do the top, you should get 272 newtons. And when you do the bottom, you should get 3.962 meters per second squared. And that will give you an m of 68.6522 kilograms. Okay? Now, just a couple little notes. The easiest spot to screw up is when you're multiplying through by the negative mu. So often, either on this second term in the bracket, either the negative gets lost or the mu gets lost. So just make sure that, like here in this case, it was negative mu plus a positive. And over here on this side, it was a negative mu plus a negative, so it became positive. Okay? So that's one spot that's really easy to mess up. Another spot that's really easy to mess up is trying to type it in your calculator. And just as a little math thing, whenever you have a number times the cos of an angle, the number always goes in front, okay? So we always write it like this. You would never write it as like cos 36.87 times 400. Because if you did that, somebody would want to multiply the 36.87 and the 400 before taking the cos. And that would give you a really different answer. So just as worldwide convention, we always put this number in front of the cosine, and then none of us will screw up even on our day that we're most asleep. Okay? So tonight's homework is going to have a couple of these ones where you're going to have to find the mass and the force. It's going to have a couple that you aren't, because I don't want to be too mean, but give them a try.